So welcome to the channel. So in this video, I will be showing how can we convert a number into rupees. Like if we are typing 2 in here, it will show like 2 rupees, then 45, it will show 45 rupees, 154587. It will say 14,587 rupees. We can also convert numbers in decimal formats also, 0.69. It will give us 8,56,487 rupees 69 paise. So I will tell you how it is done in an easy way using macros. First of all, we will create an Excel. Numbers num2. Open the Excel file. Then we will save this Excel file as macro enabled Excel file. We will go to save as type, then Excel macro enabled workbook. Then click on save. So then after that, we will go to developer tab. If you don't have the developer tab, you will click somewhere in here and right click, then customize the ribbon. And for you guys, it will be untick. So you need to tick this developer tab, then click OK. So you will get a tab like this here called developer. Then go to Visual Basic, then insert module. We will paste a code which I saved in a text file. One, I will copy all this code from here, then I will paste it here, Control S, save it, then close it. So now everything is done. Then if you type any number 2589 1234, then put a formula like equal to num2 rupees, press the tab, then select the amount which you want to convert into rupees, enter. Let me make this bigger. This number is saying that 2,589 rupees. If you put Control D here, 1,234 rupees. We can convert the decimal points also, 0.57. Control D. You will get 25,789 rupees and 57 paise. More than crore, we cannot convert this. You can convert the numbers up to crore. 879. This would be crore, I think so. Yes, this is 12 crore 34 lakh 56,879 rupees. If we add one more number here, maybe 4, it will gives an error because more than crore value we cannot convert into words. So in the description of this video, I will give you the Excel, a sample Excel file and the text file which contains the VBA code. You can download it from there. So for the text file download, you will get the text file like this by clicking on the link. So for downloading this text file, you can click download here. It will be downloaded to your PC. If you are trying to download the Excel file from the link, you have to go to file, then create a copy, then download a copy. So the copy of the Excel file will be downloaded to your PC. So that's all for the video. So I have other videos in the channel also. So if you can watch it, I do appreciate it. Thank you guys. That's all. See you next time. Bye.